Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with William. Today we're going to be making chicken fried rice. Alright, this recipe is a souped up version of the chicken fried rice I make almost every week. Fried rice is such a great weeknight meal because it's super quick but also super versatile. It is a perfect way to use up leftovers. The point of this video is to just show that it can be more of a special dish as well, so let's get started. Fried rice goes by quickly, so we're going to get everything prepared beforehand. Start with the garlic. I'm going to slice 4 to 5 of these cloves extremely thinly, and we will fry those until they are crispy to use as a boost of flavor and texture. Use the remains of these cloves plus a couple more if needed to get some more finely minced garlic. This will help distribute garlic flavor throughout the rice, while the garlic chips will provide little bursts of heterogeneity garlic flavor. Garlic is a great ingredient to include in multiple forms while you're cooking. Next, we need to use some green onions. I'm going to cut off the very top part because it tends to be pretty fibery. Then I will thinly slice the top green part on a bias. These will be part of our garnish at the end. With the bottom whites and light greens, thinly slice those as well. Those will be our onion for the dish. Finally, I'm going to add in a carrot. You could add celery or anything you want, but I like the sweetness that carrots add. This is better to leave in large chunks so it doesn't just melt away. Now we're going to prepare our chicken. I highly recommend using chicken thighs here. They have much more flavor and are much more forgiving, but use any piece you want. I'm also using skin on chicken thighs because I want to get the skin super crispy in the oven and use it as a garnish. So go ahead and remove that chicken skin, season it up with some salt and Chinese 5-spice optionally, and throw it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, convection if you have it, flipping halfway through. Then you can pull any bones out of your chicken and season it with salt and pepper. Let it sit for about 15 minutes while the skin cooks. While you're waiting, scramble up 3 large eggs and season them with a large pinch of salt. Let this sit as well. After about 20 minutes in the oven, your skin should come out looking nice and crispy. If you can somehow resist eating it like a chip, chop it up into small pieces and set it aside. Now we can start putting everything together. Using a wok if you have it, but a regular frying pan will work perfectly. Heat up some neutral oil over medium heat. Before the oil gets hot, add in your thinly sliced garlic. Adding it in early like this helps cook it evenly and not burn the garlic. Speaking of, this is very easy to burn. Keep the garlic moving in the oil and take it out well before you think it's done. A light golden brown will turn very dark as the garlic continues to cook. In this new garlic-infused oil, bring the heat up to medium-high and fry your chicken. You want to get a nice and brown on the outside, and if you use chicken thighs here, there's basically no risk of overcooking it. So get it nice and crispy, set it aside. Now we can finally add in all of our beautiful aromatics. Add in the minced garlic, the whites of the scallions, and the carrots. Fry this for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally but not constantly because we want to get a little bit of color on the carrots. Once the veggies are mostly cooked, you can make a hole on one side of your pan and add in your scrambled eggs. Let those cook until set. You may have noticed I did not mention rice in this fried rice recipe. That is because you should be using leftover rice at least a day old. Fried rice is just better using day-old rice, plain and simple. A trick I have is to make twice as much as I need for anything I cook, and then I always leave the leftover rice in the fridge. Next time you make a curry, double that portion, leave it in the fridge. That being said, if you have a hankering for some fried rice but don't have any leftovers, go ahead and use fresh, it'll still be delicious. Just make sure to rinse it. Add that day-old rice into the wok with the veggies and the egg, season it up with some soy sauce, mirin, and then fry on high heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Taste as you go here and adjust levels of soy sauce accordingly. I also like to add some garlic powder, onion powder, and red pepper flakes here. After those 3 to 5 minutes are up, add back in the chopped up chicken thighs and the thinly sliced green onions. Toss just enough to combine, and then your fried rice is basically done. All that's left is to plate it up, garnish it with some more green onion and chopped chicken skin, and enjoy. I hope that you've enjoyed my own personal taste on chicken fried rice. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see next time, and keep your eye out for some new kinds of videos coming out soon.